Today, I'm going to teach you how to compare columns in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful when you need to identify differences between two lists, spot missing entries, or highlight values that appear in one column but not in another. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, log in to your Google account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Workspace dashboard where all your Google Sheets files are stored. From the Workspace dashboard, locate and click on the spreadsheet where you want to compare columns. This will open your file and display all the data you're working with. Make sure you've selected the correct spreadsheet that contains the columns you need to compare. Now here's where the comparison begins. For this example, let's highlight two different columns that we want to compare. Once you've selected your columns, look at the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on Format. This will open a drop-down menu with various formatting options. From this menu, click on Conditional Formatting. This feature is what allows us to automatically highlight cells based on specific criteria, making it perfect for comparing data across columns. A sidebar will appear on the right side of your screen, showing the conditional formatting options. In this panel, you'll see a section labeled Format Cells. Click the drop-down menu directly under it and select Custom Formula. This option gives you the flexibility to create your own comparison formula tailored to your specific needs. Now, in the formula field, type equals countif, open parenthesis, b:b, comma a, 1 close parenthesis equals 0. You can adjust the cell range depending on what columns you're actually comparing. This formula is specifically designed to highlight values that don't exist in another column. Essentially, it checks if each value in column A appears anywhere in column B. If it doesn't find a match, it highlights that cell. This is perfect for finding missing entries or comparing two lists side by side. Once you've entered the formula, click Done to apply the conditional formatting rule. The changes will take effect immediately and you'll see the results displayed across your columns. Now take a look at your two columns. The highlighted data represents values that didn't appear in the other column. For example, if you see that the number 67 in column A is not highlighted, that's because it also appears somewhere in column B. On the other hand, any highlighted values in column A are unique and don't exist in column B at all. And that's it. You've successfully compared columns in Google Sheets using conditional formatting. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.